In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Forex Screener in Tradingview. The Forex Screener in Tradingview is a convenient way to scan the Forex market quickly, so you can spot opportunities without hopping between charts. It brings together key technical and performance metrics for over 49 currency pairs, and lets you filter and sort them to match your trading approach. Whether you are checking momentum, trend strength, or simple price performance, the screener helps you find what matters faster. To get started, head to Tradingview. At the top of the platform, you'll see the main navigation panel. Click on Markets. Inside that section, you'll find the Forex Screener option. Select it and the screener will open with a table of currency pairs and a set of tools for refining what you see. If you are already working inside a chart, you can also access the Forex Screener directly from there, so you don't have to leave your charting workspace. This is handy when you are analyzing a pair and want to compare it with others using the same criteria. Once the screener is open, take a moment to get familiar with the layout. You'll see a list of currency pairs, their latest prices, and columns that show performance and technical readings. The real power of the screener comes from its filters. You can filter the list based on technical indicators and performance metrics, focusing only on the pairs that fit your plan. For example, you can narrow the view to show pairs with stronger recent performance or highlight those that align with common technical conditions such as momentum or trend-focused signals. You can also adjust the time frame used for calculations, which helps you align the screener with your style, whether you prefer shorter swings or longer outlooks. Sorting the table by any available column makes it easy to bring top candidates to the top of the list, so you can compare them at a glance. If you see a pair that looks promising, you can investigate further on a chart to confirm your analysis with price action and structure. A helpful tip is to start broad, then refine. Begin with a general performance or trend view to get a sense of market direction, and then apply more specific technical filters to zero in on pairs that meet your criteria. This keeps your process organized and saves time. And that's it. By opening Tradingview, clicking Markets, and selecting the Forex Screener, you can quickly filter and sort over 49 currency pairs using technical and performance metrics, all in one place.